So, I'm in South Korea. It's been a while since I talked to the camera, and basically I spent 2 weeks here in South Korea traveling around the country and visiting like the main touristic place like Busan, Jeju, Gyeongju, and also Seoul. Sorry if I say the names wrong, but yeah, so we traveled with my mom and my sister for 2 weeks, just like family traveling, and then now I'm staying here in Seoul for 2 more weeks to essentially work on my thesis for the university. And it's actually the first time I am completely alone here because I went to Seoul in South Korea twice already, so it's my 3rd time, but I never was completely alone. It's actually kind of new. I still struggle with the language, but I'm getting used to it. So in this video, you'll see the week before I came in South Korea, and I tried to film what I wanted to pack. I just saw that when I was filming was quite messy, so I'm trying to do like a little intro or to just have something more organized. I didn't have any real plan for this video. So yeah, enjoy this video and see you soon. A new lens right now. I'm gonna film like this without having my camera in the right hand. So if I want to talk like this, for example, you can actually see everything. Okay. I want to do street photography, so last year I used this lens, it's a Fujifilm lens, like the regular one that you usually receive with the camera. It's an 1855 2.8 focal, which is great. This one is really great for photography and for some more detailed scenes, but I think this one it's quite new, and I've been dreaming about buying a white lens for months now. I actually bought it secondhand on Facebook Marketplace, so we'll see how it will turn out, because usually when I see creators doing YouTube videos, they don't use Fujifilm as a vlogging camera. They usually use the Sony camera, which I don't have the money for. I don't want to buy too many cameras. Fujifilm is great for me because it's useful as a photography camera and as a videography camera, and I want to do both, so I think it's great. Maybe someday, if I really want to improve my vlogging setup and I just want to do videos and I'm like thinking about doing more vlogging style than photography, then maybe I'll think about buying as well a Sony camera. Yeah, anyway, and also I have to prepare my travel journal that I'm gonna bring. So I have this little Japan sketchbook that I did last year, and I finished it this year. This is how it is inside. Then I bought this South Korea journal. This is exactly the same as the one that I bought in Japan for Japan, but this one is gonna be for South Korea. I also bought like accessories I'm gonna put on inside of the notebook to put like a little pen on the side. Then I also have to bring, because I'm gonna work or my thesis there, I have to bring my computer, my iPad. Think about which kind of bag I'm gonna bring and which kind of like stuff I'm gonna bring. This is an organization and I really want to be organized. So yeah, see you.
like it's just me, myself, my computer, and the work. That's because I'm editing too much. Like.
First, I think I'm gonna take stuff I already have as much as possible. This box is my stationery box. I have this little pouch that I can bring. Actually, no. The plan is to not have too much stationery because also in South Korea you have tons of stationery there, so I can also buy stuff there if I want. Clip in case. And it's easy to just attach to the journal. I have nothing I can use. How is so yesterday I worked on my new skirt. Actually, it's the same prototype as the one I made for Japan last year. Just the waist was a little bit too big for me, so I'm thinking about like reducing the size of it, but I'm not sure I have some elastic anymore. I have to check. That's the skirt I made, and the fabric kind of heavy, and I thought that maybe for South Korea with this like humid weather, I was thinking about using this kind of fabric, which is really light. I also have this, so I have this shirt that I bought in a thrift store maybe 1 year ago, but I never use it because first of all, I have one button missing. And so the goal is to transform this little shirt, this big shirt into this. So that's the inspiration, and I think I'm just have to measure, like to cut the bottom here and also to cut the sleeves a little bit like shorter. So that's the thing. Yeah, it's quite big. I just need to cut the fabric as straight as possible. Just following the line. Okay, so